When Caitlin Clark was selected as the #1 pick by the Indiana Fever in April, the basketball world buzzed with anticipation for the upcoming season. Clark, who had made headlines by becoming the all-time leading scorer in college basketball, surpassing even the legendary Pete Maravich, had already cultivated a massive fanbase. This enthusiasm translated into an impressive surge in viewership, attendance, concession sales, merchandise, social media metrics, and corporate sponsorships. According to a recent report released by Boardroom in collaboration with Just Women's Sports, these metrics have skyrocketed, underscoring Clark's significant impact on the WNBA and the Fever. Boardroom's data revealed that the Fever had sold out their season ticket inventory, with attendance numbers soaring by an extraordinary 264% compared to the previous year. The team now leads the league in attendance, averaging 16,898 fans per game, nearly 4,200 more fans per game than the next closest team. This dramatic increase in attendance has had a ripple effect on other areas, including a 300% rise in hot dog sales and a staggering 740% increase in draft beer sales. Merchandise sales have also seen phenomenal growth, with jersey sales up by 1,193% and team store transactions climbing by 700%. The Fever have broken their franchise's single-game merchandise sales record 4 times this season alone. Additionally, the team has set new records for viewership, with 38 national TV appearances and holding the top 12 spots for the most-watched WNBA games this season. Social media engagement has surged, with the Fever adding 1.3 million followers since Clark's draft, and they now lead in social media views across all major sports leagues, with around 800 million views over the past 4 months. Corporate partnerships have also seen a remarkable 225% increase, and the Fever now boast the highest number of team sponsors in the league, including Eli Lilly as their jersey patch sponsor. Despite these impressive statistics and milestones, Clark has chosen to divert her focus from the broader data to a more whimsical subject: the Fever's mascot, Freddy. The mascot's rising popularity was noted by former WNBA star Sue Bird, who shared Boardroom's post on Instagram. Bird humorously pointed out that Freddy's appearances had increased by 150% since the middle of the 2024 season, captioning the image with, "Freddy's prices are not yesterday's prices," adding a lighthearted touch to the news. Clark responded by resharing Bird's story, with a playful comment, "Freddy is in high demand." This response from Clark seemed to downplay the significant statistical achievements of her rookie season in favor of celebrating Freddy's newfound prominence. The exchange highlighted Clark's sense of humor and her appreciation for the mascot's role in the Fever's success, even as she continues to make a substantial impact on and off the court. This playful interaction underscores Clark's ability to balance her on-court success with a sense of fun and relatability, further endearing her to fans and showcasing her multifaceted influence in the WNBA.